What's going on, everybody? Today we're working on a GT Performer from the 90s. This is just something that we've been working on and we're going to finish up. On this frame, it has Diacomp Hombre gold brakes, a gold cam C-chain. We have the gyro attached and part of the crank. This is a GT Power Series crank. So let's show you what else we got. This is the SE wheel set with a Panaracer tire. We have a Diacomp nip-in brake, the original GT fork. Same with the rear with an ACS freewheel. This is the seat post that's going to go on. It's a GT post. From there we have the Wellgo bear trap pedals, a knockoff GT mallet stem with some gold stem bolts, a gold headset, gold seat post guts, MX clamp in gold, an SE seat. We have the gyro tabs powder coated in gold, the fork standers powdered in gold, cheese grater sprocket powdered in gold with an Odyssey gyro cable, 2 gold Tech 77 levers, a little straddle cable in gold, remaining Power Series crank. We have the Dyno pretzel bars with the Havoc gold grips. So let's get to this build. Stay tuned.
Does it feel? Does it feel? How does it feel when you treat me like you do, and you've laid your hands upon me and told me who you are? I thought I was mistaken, and I thought I heard your words. Tell me, how do I feel? Tell me now, how do I feel? Those who came before me lived through their vocations. I found a past unto completion will turn away no more. And I still find it so hard to say what I need to say, but I'm quite sure that you'll tell me and just I should feel today. How does it feel? How does it feel? How does it feel? How does it feel?
What's going on, everybody? We just finished up this beautiful GT Performer, super blinged out. Let's go through all the parts with you. We have Havoc gold grips, Tech 77 levers with gold, Odyssey gyro cable with Dyno pretzel bars, a knockoff GT mallet stem. We got a 1-inch gyro with a 1-inch headset, gold, with Diacom Nippon brakes. We have these fork standers, Panaracer tire with SE wheels, and a gold dice valve cap. Moving over to the middle, we have the Wellgo bear trap, gold pedals with a GT Power Series crank, and a gold cheese grater sprocket with a KMC chain in gold also. Diacom C-post clamps with a GT C-post, and SE Bikes seat with gold seat guts. We have Diacom Hombre brakes with a gold yoke, Panaracer tire on the back with a gold SE wheel, and an ACS freewheel. Let us know what you guys think of this beautiful bike. Comment below if you've seen anything like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.
How does it feel